up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here in Animal Company. I heard there was a new update, so I had to get in and check it out. So, of course, I'm already in here. Yes, people's been throwing some stuff already, and I just got in. So, I haven't been playing any. I just now started playing. So, I'm gonna show y'all the update, but first, let me get me some money. So I'm kind of broke. I used to be billions of bears. Now I'm a brokey. Why did my friend Red leave me like that, bro? My only friend. Ah! Guys, mimics on me. I need help. I heard this is a mimic thing.
Hey!
I think it's a skinwalker though, because it's like a monkey and it changes into a monster. So I call it a skinwalker.
Yes. I will respond. Go home.
You can't move now.
That's in my mind. Don't let him touch it. Don't let him get close to you. He will kill you.
Yeah. I call the mimic the skinwalker because it's a monkey, but...
No. Yeah, he disguised as a monkey.
Yeah, I think it's a skinwalker because it shapeshifts into a monster when it triggers.
You look at his eyes or this make him touch you, he would like get the trigger.
Okay, well I'm recording a video for my YouTube. No! Wait, he's fine. He can walk it off, I'm pretty sure. Wait. Yeah, he can walk that off. My BBG! No! R.I.P. my boy in the chat, guys. R.I.P. Red in the chat. Salute to him, man.
They'll be in the chat.
Okay, wait. Alright, you wanna go there again to get more money again, and then go to
No.
Then why did I get money too?
Sewer.
Well, I'm gonna collect stuff on the way. Alright, let's go.
No, because
Like, look at this slow poke. Like, he's so slow. Like, are you coming?
Hey, that's mine.
that boy.
Hey, special cargo. Give it back. I
Give
repeat.
it back,
Hey, give it back. Autistic cargo.
Hey, give it back. Hey, give it back, madam.
Let's go. Wait, no, don't press it. Don't press it. Oh my God, I have an
Red, wait for me. Red, wait. There, I'm right here. It's me. Okay.
Make it. Go on channel 9.
Okay. Okay, I'm on that. Wait, I'm coming down. Alright, I'm behind you, Red.
Okay, we're on channel 9.
Yeah, I know. Shut up. Don't tell kids. Oh, somebody's already killed the red light, green light man. Hold on, I'm getting money.
Is anybody here?
Red, wait. You scared me. You made me think you were the mimic.
Blue, what?
Who wants to do this challenge with me?
I'm coming, Red. I'm right here. Red, I'm right here.
Okay, let's go.
Suicidal.
Yeah.
Ah! I about fell, Red. Red, I'm about to fall.
Jump.
No! Red! No! BBG Red. No, no. Red, don't worry, I'm coming back. Red! Red, where you at? I came back.
Bro. I lost my shotgun because of y'all.
Red, I'm back. Red, I'm back.
Oh, you
what channel are
back? How do
you
you get out of here?
What channel are you on?
The package has been delivered.
Red, why are you on channel 0? Red, you're on channel 0.
Weird. Weird. That's weird. Okay, on channel 9.
Let's go. I got flashlights, don't worry about that. Well guys, apparently there's a skinwalker now in this new update. Wait. I must do what I have to do.
Wait for me.
Suicidal. Wait. Suicidal. The flashlight shall make its sacrifice. No.
You're okay.
No, I'm not, man. Hey, man, that wasn't very nice, man. Wait, I wonder if this will trigger it. Oh, I thought we were dead. Oh, that was close. A crowbar! That's very expensive, man.
What? I just touched one.
Red! Red!
Touch one.
Red, come on.
I just touched one.
Wait for me. I have to do something. Guys, wait right here. Wait, I
I need more stuff. Yo, Red,
got.
can you hold
feels cold.
Red, wait, I don't have my flashlight. I kind of lost it, game. Red, wait! Wait, Red! Red! Wait!
Ah!
Red! Red, no, I fell! Red! Hello, darkness.
Where are you?
old friend.
Yeah, come on.
Alright, let's go. I did this before with some people and I came back with that.
What the? No! I don't know why I was being RIP me in the chat.
Bro, what's taking so long?
Man, from all that work, Orange Strike still.
Stop!
Monkey?
Give me my rocket back! Give me it
Oh,
back!
here you blue.
No, give me it back! No, my flashlight.
Huh? No, I'm not coming with you, Kai.
Oh my god, you're actually such a butthole, bro. You're actually weird. I have 6,000 bucks. Bet.
Into night.
Got one grenade and then one flashlight. Yeah, boy. Red, I'm coming back.
Okay.
Are you waiting for me? What? Suicidal.
Red, I literally on the floor and I almost died.
If. Whoa!
Is that you?
Huh?
Nothing.
Yo, Loki, where's the mimic at? Or skinwalker, whatever you call it. I'm coming. I'm coming, Red.
I just saw a mimic. Blue. Hurry up.
Oh crap. I actually fell for this one time. I came down here by accident because I thought this was the teleporter. And I was trying to get back. And like, I kind of did that. And my dog's going crazy at the same time. Red, I'm here! Where are you? I'm at the tunnel you're at.
At zero gravity.
Wait there, I'm coming!
At zero gravity already. Blue, do you hear me?
My color code is purple, I'm coming down.
Purple, do you hear me?
Yes, I'm coming.
Okay, at zero.
I'm here! I'm here! Red, where are you?
Red, I hear you.
No, bro, I need that. I see you, Red.
Where are you?
I'm coming.
There you go.
Can
Hey,
I?
wait,
You
I want
remember
your
I have a
backpack. Can I have your
shotgun?
backpack?
Yeah, here, I don't need it. I need that.
Hey,
Somebody died.
let's freaking go.
Red, I'm coming.
go.
Red, I'm right here. No! Look, you don't take damage. Look, I'm touching it. Look, I don't take damage as long as I don't touch with my hands. Oh. Uh-oh. Wait, Red. I'm in a sticky situation.
You need to jump. Just do it.
Okay, I didn't take much damage. Let's go. Red, I shall make it in peace.
I know you're gonna peace.
Parkour. Red, I made it. I'm gonna make it, I mean. Oh.
My headset, are you allowed to take my backpack with the shotgun? No, I have one heart.
I have nothing. I have nothing. Give me that gold block.
Yo, purple, I have one heart.
Rocket just went away.
See a border.
I have nothing though, Kyan.
We need to make it back.
Crap. Wait.
Red,
Whoa.
it's hard to get up here.
Let's freaking go.
I'm gonna make it.
This way. Bro, just leave or you die.
I made it.
What?
Now I should make it to the teleporter.
You left?
I made it back! Okay. Okay. POV me. Just trying to make it. No, freak. Get the pro here too.
Don't touch it! I'm almost here.
How much money? Here we go. Watch. That better be 1,000. Yes, sir! That's a lot of money.
Then how did I make money too?
Bam! Bam! Hey, you made it back? That's my backpack.
Help me!
That's my
Help
backpack.
me!
Here, drop me the backpack and I'll help.
It has
Okay.
gold in it.
Okay, here. Open that. Wait! No! What?
No! I'm sorry. I have nothing. 22K. That's pretty much.
Bro, I made it!
I'm sorry. I have nothing. I'm sorry. But look at my money. Look at my money.
Yeah, look
at
at
my
mine.
money.
I'm a brokey.
Look at mine.
Ah, no, I'm a brokey. I only got 8,000.
I have 23.
Here, drop me that. I'll
23,000.
take it. I'll take it. Here.
I have $23,000.
Here, let me see that.
Made it.
20.
Let me see it, and I'll take it over there for you. That
Drop
way
it.
you can do
I
it
want it.
faster.
I have nothing. I have nothing.
Have fun.
Come sell your stuff, Red.
How you didn't die?
Red, come sell your stuff. That should be an easy 1,000. So those are worth 1,000. Those are worth 1,005. $1,005 scraps.
Yeah, take that stuff.
Okay, well guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the new update. I can't wait to see the next. So,
Like nothing. Like I have nothing.
so yeah, see you guys in the next.
Give me